Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy DIY hacks that will make your work easy and will save you lots of money. So for that, first you'll be needing these sticks and a water bottle, and your peanut breaker is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will show you a slice maker. So take a vegetable, slice it like this and roll it and serve it. How beautiful it's looking. Next, you can make your garlic peeling very easy. Just break it from the between and then press it on the back and see, it's ready. Isn't it so easy and time saving? Next, take an empty phone box. Now you can put the boxes inside it like this and your lipstick or the nail polish container is ready. Next, you can make the peeling or the cutting very easy. Just take a stick and put the mushrooms on it like this and cut it from the sides and it's done. Next, using this technique, you can easily put the zip inside the chain. Just use a fork and put it like this and see, it's done. I hope you are liking this video. Let us know in the comment section whether these DIYs worked for you or not. Just take a tape like this and then put the closer onto it like this and cut it from the top. Now just cut it and it's ready. Look how easy it made its work. So next, take a mosquito repellent like this and put the stick in the between and put it over the tin like this and see, it's done. Next, if you have a broken umbrella in your home, I think so this video is for you. So just take a lead of a pen and then cut it from the top like this and fix it and tie it on the umbrella and it's done. Look, it's perfect. Next, take some few balloons like this. Now take an empty bottle and then take its cap, make a mark on the between and make a mark on the water bottle like this and cut it. Now fix the balloon on the top as shown in the video, fix the cap and then it's done. Look how your balloon blower is ready. Next, take a lighter and melt the water bottle cap and put the stick over it like this. Cut it from the top and your water dispenser is ready. Next, take the stick and then peel some garlic like this. Now put the water bottle over it and crush it like this. See how it makes your work very easy. Next, you can make a hanging jar like this. So just make some holes on the empty box or basket like this and then make some holes on it and press it and your soap container is ready. Next, take a cone, cut it like this from the between. It's not working, so let's make it easy. Now fix it like this and then press it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.